Kat Mackinnon with the Colorado School of Clinical Herbalism, and today we're going to be exploring the world of aquatic plants. Let's dive in. So in many field guides and textbooks, you'll see the term wetland species. All that means is a plant that grows either near or in water. Now, a lot of the time when we see wetland species, we think more of our semi-aquatic species. That is, plants that have their feet in this kind of mucky, rich, dense soil. So their feet in the water, their roots in the water, and the rest of their structures are happening above the water line, or above, in this case, the muck line. Now, species like Pedicularis that we have here, or Rhodiola, those are species that would be classed as either wetland species or semi-aquatic. It really depends on the resource that you look at. Moving on to wholly aquatic plants, we have a few different divisions. Some aquatic plants live just free-floating on the water. Water hyacinths, duckweed, these are all examples of free-floating aquatic plants. Other types will actually live rooted into the soil and be completely submerged. There's a few different things such as filiary plants and a few different of our ranunculaceae here in the Rocky Mountains that we'll see that live their entire life cycle under the water. Occasionally you'll also see plants that will live almost completely submerged, but they'll also have flowering tops. Another big division is what we see here, what we're surrounded by, which is our yellow pond lily. This type you'll see a lot with things like arrowroot, with pond lilies, with lotuses in other countries. This plant is rooted into the soil, it's almost completely submerged, but its leaves are floating gently on the top. So they're not wholly submerged for their life cycle. They also tend to flower above the waterline and set their seeds that way as well. That last type of aquatic plant, the one with its roots firmly in the soil, the leaves floating on the top, is pretty typical of the water lily family. The water lily family, which is Nymphaceae, is actually named for nymphs of Greek mythology who were said to inhabit the rivers and streams and woods. In our case, what we have here is a species within that family called Nuphar polysipula, also called Nuphar lutea in some books. This has been Kat Mackinnon with CSCH. Thank you for joining us, and happy botanizing.